For an open building.
Siguro 12.
Preferably with
Gusto
no
ko pa maglaro.
Or WLF. Wolves.
Whatever.
I still have some of those almond things left if you're hungry.
Not really.
You should eat something. Oh my god.
What?
I sounded like my mom just...
Oh my god, Shiver! Dina!
Get the other! Don't lose her!
Oh no!
Go!
Dina!
Pinatay si Shiver! Oh my...
Didn't think I'd ever see you again.
Oh wait, siya yung nakasalubong niya nung pinapatay si Joel. May ano siya,
How'd you
oh,
find us?
may balat siya dito kasi nga 'di ba nasaksak siya.
Dude with a bitch scar across his face.
It's funny.
Oh, oh.
How many came with you? Just you two?
You can't stop this.
Jordan! You're supposed to be out looking for the other one. What the fuck is this?
You know the smuggler that we killed out in Jackson?
Yeah?
This girl was there.
What?
They're coming after us. That's why Nick was fucked up like that. We gotta get her to Isaac. We gotta tell him exactly what's going on.
Yeah, well, I just got off the radio with Isaac. And we got a new mandate. Kill all trespassers.
Oh, hold up, hold
Oh
up.
no,
That
oh no.
doesn't make any sense.
Direct order, man.
No, let's talk to her. Let's figure out what she
I
knows.
don't give a fuck what she knows. You saw what she did to the others?
You have no idea how many people she might be with. This might be an ambush,
I don't care
Mike.
how many people she's with, we will find them.
Pre, papatayin na si
Can you just
Ellie.
think for yourself?
Oh my
for a
God, nandun si
second
Dina
right
sa
now?
taas.
Get away.
Dina!
Oh my god, can I do something? Please? Patay na yung kasama mo, pre. Oh my god, papatayin na din si Dina. Hindi pwede.
Come here.
Hindi pwede. No, 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 no. Can I like do something?
Dina!
Why? Papatayin si Dina, pre. Anong? Why? Oh no! No! Bilisan mo, Ellie! Go! Oh my...
Are you okay?
Oh my...
Mostly. Ellie. We should go. Somebody would have heard the gunshots. Look, she's one of them. Come on. Look at that later. Was there a TV station on that map? I don't fucking know. Come on.
Oh my god, nandyan na yung mga kasama niya. Well! Balikan po to. How many? Only 2? Do I have ammo?
Get down!
Oh no.
Covered. You flank. Okay.
Ashley!
Patay na si Ashley, pre. Ashley ka pang nalalaman. Wala na si Ashley, pre. Oh my god, natanggal ko yung kamay niya.
Let's go.
How many guys did you see?
Enough. We gotta get the hell out of here.
Can I like loot those guys over there? Wait lang, Dina. Maglulot lang ako. Wala tayong bala eh. Yeah, I can loot this one. Loot muna, Dina. Wait lang ha. Paano ba tanggalin yung pop-up? Click to interact the stream. Ay, wait nga. Sige, tanggalin ko na. Extension, may extension. Ayan, tinanggal ko na para hindi na hindi na nakaharang. Okay na? Ayan, wala na. Kasi hindi pa naayos yan eh. Okay, pwede ako mag-craft ng silencer, I guess. Snowbane, natapos mo yung recording ko last night, di ba? Hindi pa kompleto yun. Kailangan mo i-rewatch yung ano ko, yung VOD ko. For that. L-aim? Anong L-aim? Ito, mouse and keyboard, oh. Tinatrash talk mo ako sa aim, ha?
Hey, come on!
Ano? You trash talk me aim, ha? I play with mouse and keyboard, man. Uy. Oh my god, wala na akong bala pa. Oh my god, wala din tutok, pre. Patay si Ellie, pre. Never mind, buhay pa. Oh my god, okay, balik na controller. Tinrush to kasi ako ni Chuvile.
Recognize any of these guys?
No.
Oh my god, the details, pre! Winantap ko siya. Oh. Wala na akong bala. Tinrush ko ni Chuvile, napa-mouse and keyboard tuloy ako. Sorry, hindi kasi ako nagko-controller eh. My bad, ah. Okay, loot muna. Gusto ko lang naman i-enjoy yung game with my controller. With my color cyan controller. I like cyan. Kaso tinrush talk mo ko, lumabas tuloy yung Valorant aim ko. Nung Silent Hill din eh, hindi ko napigilan yung sarili ko, nag-mouse and keyboard din ako eh. Kasi nakakainis, pre. Hindi ko matamaan yung kalaban dun. Sa The Last of Us naman, kaya pa. Kaya pa na, na controller. Okay, let's go. Do you have something? Oh, stealth? Stealth ba to? Kasi may grass? Oh my god, madami pa nga. Do I have bottles?
I don't know. Search the courtyard. You, hold the cafeteria. I'll cover here.
Wait, I can stun them. Never mind. Kamaingay. 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 Tropa tayo. Dito ka. Pre, puro tao na yung kalaban ko eh. Hindi na infected eh. Alam mo yung nagmarathon ako ng Last of Us YT mo. Yan din sabi ko, Valorant player kasi. Sanay first person shooter. Eh yung The Last of Us 1 ko, naka mouse and keyboard ako nun. Dito magko-controller ako. my god, ang dami! No, 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 makikita yung body. Makikita yung body, pre. Can I like shoot this guy? No, kailangan ni stealth pa din eh. Oh my god, there's so much loot here.
Miles, let's see what's left.
Kailangan ko na siya patayin.
You got it!
Nice one, Dina. Oh my god, ang hirap itutok ng pistol. Ubos na? There's more?
Fuck, there's a lot of them.
I told you.
You can prone? Oo nga pala. Yung, I forgot about that. Kasi nga, sa Last of Us 1, wala eh. There's like loots here. Wala namang battles, pre. Paano ko mag-upgrade nito? Oh my god, may isa nga pala akong barrel. I forgot about that. May revolver nga pala ako. Grabe si Dina, no? Ang galing din pumatay.
Have a look here. Fuck these wolves. Steal their shit. Oh no! Over there.
Madali ako makakalimot, okay? I'm so sorry.
Adrian's patrol.
Pero I think ubusin muna natin bala neto.
Hey, you two! Trespassing!
May nangahawak ng paa dito.
You seen anything?
Wah, hawakan ko paa nyo. Wah,
Cover this roof.
hawakan ko paa nyo. Rawr.
You sure she's not on the street? Did you? How would she get down there? I don't know. Has this been called in? Greg went out to Capitol Hill. We should be back with those guys any minute now.
Just shut up.
Maggie? Answer me. Come on, talk to me.
Maggie? Hey, respond! Go check.
Shut up. Whoa. What are you doing?
Oh my god, that's so good. Pre, grab sabay one tap. Holy. Ganda ng ginawa ko dun. Galing, galing, galing.
That's all of them.
Kino-compliment ko yung sarili ko. Galing, 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 galing. Saan ako tatalon? Malalaglag na naman ako dito, tapos mamamatay ako eh. Hindi pala ako tatalon. Dito pala ako. Can I like craft? Hello? Wala akong tape? don't update, man. From here on out, kill all trespasser. We'll send additional units to locate the other woman. Return to the FE. Blah 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 blah. Muted ako? Kanina pa yung mute ko. Tapos na yung 1 minute ko, te. Hello? Tapos na talaga yung 1 minute, ate ko.
Fuck.
Paano to? Saan ako dadaan?
What about this? Let's try it.
Ayan na naman, tinitinaman nyo na naman ako awayin. Uy, ang dami nun, no? May aso pa. Ikaw nga nang aaway. Kayo yung inaaway nyo ko lagi. Kaka-stream ko pa lang. Yung binokomment niya. Sabi dito, sabi meron ba taga Cebu? Ewan ko sa kanila. Ewan ko sa kanila kung taga Cebu sila. Ba't ang daming cloth, pre? Hindi ko naman magamit yung cloth kasi wala akong macraft. Ay, grabe naman gaming PC to. Pre, oh. Ay, craft a silencer. I can craft. Ay, wait. Bawal siya sa revolver. Bawal sa revolver yung silencer. Oh. Ay, saka isang putok lang. Isang putok lang yung oh. Ah! Parang di worth it. Pero na-upgrade pa ata. Wait, can I upgrade it? Kung na-upgrade pa yung durability ng... Yeah, meron. Increase durability, 3 to 5. Oh, wait. Increase... Yeah, na-increase yung durability, magiging worth it siya. Pero ngayon, I think hindi worth it kasi isang putok lang.
We need to get to the street.
Check messenger, may sinend ka. Okay. Ah, nasa labas ka. Di ba ba dati kitain? Talaga ba, Kendrick? Talaga ba, Kendrick? Ras! I thought that's just once. Oh my god. Agulat na naman ako! Ba't ganyan anak mo? Ano yung anak ko?
Alright, coast looks clear. Yeah. I think we're good. Alright. Check this out.
Wala akong anak. Hello? Hey, thirst trap.
She's one of them. Well, fuck her then. Read the letter.
Hey, thirst trap. Hi, Ate Rosie.
Jordan. Isaac's got us posted up on a 2-week at the TV station. Scars spotted in the area. Here's something to hold you over, Leah.
TV station.
You think she's still there?
We gotta find out, right?
So, spy all these tall buildings. That way.
Sinaunang nudes.
Okay.
Oh my...
Let's go get Leah.
Diyos ko po.
You good?
Alrighty.
I thought I was fucked back there. Thanks for the save, by the way.
Of course.
Well...
So, those are the wolves.
Ay, wait.
They're really armed.
Alam mo,
Yeah, they are.
chat, sasabihin ko
As
sana,
many of them?
asan si Shimmer?
I said this was a possibility.
Bro, pinatay nga pala si
anything for you?
Shimmer.
No?
Hinahanap ko si Shimmer, pre.
Keep an eye out for patrols. There were a
Ang
bunch
ganda ng
trying to sneak me
graphics.
out around here.
How many?
Very good
I
graphic.
passed two, but I got a feeling there were more.
Unless
Napanood
they
mo na ba
realize
yung
we're
one
out
ko
of
dito,
school,
Ate Rosie?
Maybe
Or
can't
hindi
get
pa?
fucking friends.
they'll be out
Feel,
before
alam
something
ko hindi
for us.
nyo... Marami bala yung revolver. Ay, oo nga pala. Yeah. Alam ko hindi pa napapanood to nila Ate Rosie yung part 1 neto eh. Pero you should watch it. Nasa YouTube ko naman yung part 1, yung buong ano. Ligo ka muna, Ellie. Ligo muna. Lublob muna. Lublob muna. Eh. Ligo muna. Ligo muna, Ellie. Lublob. Baka kasi naiinitan na si Ellie. Lublob muna si Ellie. Okay. Lublob muna, lublob.
I wonder if there's anything left in these buildings.
There's always something left behind.
Wala dito. Grabe! Ang laki ng TV nyo ah. Sa ganyan kaya ako mag... Siguro ang sarap, no? Kung... Bro, I imagine it na... Nasa sofa ka lang. Like, this sofa. Tapos naglalaro ka ng The Last of Us dito with your controller, man. That will be so nice. Eh, kaso streamer ako. Kailangan kong... May nakaharap na ring light sa akin. May face cam ako. Tapos andito ako sa setup ko. Kailangan ko umupo ng maayos. Kasi kung pa sumandal ako. Sumandal ako. Ang pangit ko tignan, di ba? Ang layo. Eh, pero malaki naman yung nakikita mo eh. So, doesn't matter. Horror, yeah. Horror siya. Ewan ko, thriller horror, I guess. Pero alam niya naman ako, isa akong magaling sa horror games. Sa gusto ko yung mga gantong streams, yung... Kasi...
Fresh blood.
Oh, fresh blood.
I'm ready.
Kasi, di ba recently pagka... Okay, bumili ako ng... Bumili ako ng short horror game na sabihin natin lalaroin natin for 1 hour. After nun, next stream, ibang game na, di ba? Hindi katulad ng ganto. Dire-diretso siya. Hindi relaxing The Last of Us. Sobrang stress ko. Oy, ako nga na-enjoy ko yung The Last of Us 1 eh. Kasi naka-mouse and keyboard ako. Pero ngayon, I think, yeah, medyo nai-stress na ako. What happened to you, bro? Oh my gulay!
Got him?
Yeah,
Shit. Oh, my heart's racing.
same.
Kakasabi ko lang nai-stress ako. Biglang ganun. Have you play Until Dawn? Alam ko yung Until Dawn, nalaro ko na siya dati sa PS4 ng PS4 ng pinsan ko. Pero yung remake, tinry ko siya laruin sa stream pero yeah, nag-bug siya sadly. So, hindi natuloy. Pero napalitan ko naman siya ng Dakwari. So, yeah. Ayun na lang yung naging palit niya. Sa Sabaton ko, ang dami kong nire-reading mahabang horror games like Subnautica, Dark Pictures, Visage, yung mga ganon. Wow! Hindi ko na kailangan mag-upgrade for that. Sa The Last of Us 1, kailangan ko pa mag-upgrade. Until Dawn, The Quarry. Yeah, mas gusto ko pa din yung Until Dawn kaysa sa The Quarry. Alien Isolation, yes. Meron akong Alien Isolation. Na mga naka-ready yan para sa Sabaton ko. Kasi nga, di ba usapan natin sa Sabaton ko, bawal... Ay, wait. Ano ba yung usapan natin nun?
I don't know.
Teka, ang daldal ni Dina eh.
Seems reckless. Maybe they're dumb. Maybe.
Okay, sa Sabaton natin, hindi bababa yung timer unless naglalaro ako ng horror. Kasi nga,
What?
horror streamer ako eh.
Could be that you just weren't who they were looking for. So they let you go.
Yeah, well, they did beat the shit out of us. The one guy, Jordan, kicked my face in.
Yeah, but why do you think that they didn't finish
It
the...
doesn't matter. They fucked up.
They did.
Pre, alam mo, gusto ko pa magpuyat. Pero I feel like it na kailangan na natin mag-end ng stream soon. Kasi magaya na naman to sa sa yung schedule 1, 'di ba? Ang daming content doon.
The one in the TV station?
Pero parang
Leah.
3 araw ko lang na-stream kasi 11 hours ko nilaro.
She the one with the braid?
No. Only thing I remember about her was the sound of her crying over that
Gusto
sickle
niyo
fuck's
magpuyat?
face when I sliced her
Gusto
open.
niyo magpuyat? Bro, gusto ko kayo bitinin para manood pa kayo ng next stream ko. I mean, ako din bitin din, pero
So-
yeah.
How do you want to handle her? Leah, I mean.
Find out what she knows. Find out where the others are. Go from there.
You gonna ask her why they did it?
Yeah.
Wala ka bang pasok sa school
Yes.
bukas? Wala.
Jogging memories of stuff Joel said about his past?
Kaya nga parang gusto ko gusto
Nothing
kong
new.
Did stuff that you
magpuyat.
don't know about?
Yan ang ayoko,
Ay.
yung binibitin ako. Parang ibang bitin yan.
Wasn't very big on sharing.
I wonder what Tommy's making.
Ate
out of
Rosie?
this.
Oh wait, I
Probably
can
know
do
more
this.
about all the people Joel crossed.
Oh. Puyat? Puyat? The Last of Us? Hanggang... Hindi, ilimit lang natin. Sige, hanggang 2 AM? Or 1 AM? RVG? With that? Kasi mahaba-habang game naman to eh. Wrong type. Hanggang 8 AM? Hello?
What are you doing with that?
It's stuck.
Hey,
Tulong.
try getting it off the curb?
Yan.
Now what are you gonna do with it?
I'll be back in a sec. I'll keep watch.
At Death of Night na laro mo na, hindi pa. Pero planning to play it too. Hanggang 1 AM ng January 12. Bukas pa yung January 12, hello? To be honest, kung hindi ko to ini-stream or hindi ko to kino-content, siguro nilaro ko to ng one go. Like, parang yung Resident Evil 8. Nilaro ko ng one go yun eh. Isang araw lang.
Fuck is this?
What is
Some kind of
this?
bomb?
Trap mines? Ah, ito yung pipe bomb. This is the pipe bomb. Yeah, I do need that. Oh my god, ang dami ko ng items, pre. I'm so happy. Kanina wala akong bala. To be honest, nangangalay na yung daliri ko kasi ganito ako maglaro, nakakulo. Like, nangangalay na ako mag-controller. Baka mag-mouse na ako mamaya. Where were Rob last night? It was Jimmy. Sino si Jimmy? Jimmy Bonkers. If you guys have a rat spot, you can talk to me. Dude, weird ng controls ng Resident Evil and The Last of Us.
Was it worth it? Yeah.
I mean,
Pretty good haul.
yeah, sobrang different. Yung controls. Parang naglalaro lang ng COD sa phone. Oo, ganun ako maglaro ng COD sa phone dati. Nakakulo. Pero ang pinaka nakakatakot na nalaro kong mahabang game, Resident Evil 7 talaga. Wala pa din tatalo sa Resident Evil 7 sa lahat ng nalaro ko. Like, the scare factor
Check this out.
the scare factor lang yung takot na makukuha mo sa game na yon. It's something else. Oh, naglalag na naman yung PC ko.
How old do you think this is?
At least a few years.
Oh my gulay.
They probably put it up right after everything went down with the military.
Nagpe-frame drop na ako.
Must
Mainit
have
na
been
yung PC
scary
ko.
for all these people. First the outbreak, and Fedra. then
Maganda
the
ba
wars.
kwento nun? Resident Evil, yes.
Wonder how many stuck around and joined these
Vouch
WLF
ko yung
fuckers.
Resident Evil.
Good question.
Hoy! Oh my god ka! Oh my god ka, Dina, pre. Akala ko nasa likod kita. Visit ka, babae ka. Akala ko nasa likod ko si Dina, pre. Sumasalubong bigla. Oh my god ka. Oh, demonyo yung Resident Evil 7. Hindi ka papaanohin nun. Hindi ka what do you call this?
I can still kind of see
Papalagpasin.
the buildings. How do you want to go?
Let's see.
Hi, Doc. Hindi na makalaya. Okay, what do we go? What do we do now? Bawasan ng kape. Di nga ako nagkakape. Di ko ata natapos yun kasi sa sobrang takot.
Ellie. Wolves. Shit.
Oo nga, kasi nga nakakatakot. Uy, ano ba, Dina? Nakatayo ka lang dyan. You dam-dam.
Fuck is this girl? Somewhere in this area.
Papatay na naman ako ng tao.
Sure she ain't a scar. Look right in the horse. Not a scar. Well, scars are probably fine. No way we're finding her.
Wala ako, bulate ako. Oh, wala ako dito, bulate oh. Bulate ako.
I'll see what it was.
Bulate ako eh, hindi ako yun. Bulate ako, bulate oh. Bulate nga ako eh. Oh, oh 'di ba? Wala ka nakita, bulate ako, bulate. Ano ba, Dina? May kita ka diyan.
All clear.
Bulate nga ako, oh, 'di ba? Kita mo naman, 'di ba? Bulate.
Quiet.
Oh my god, ang dami. Tatlo pa? Can I kill this dude? Wait, sumisilip-silip siya. my god, sinisilip-silip ako dito. Saan na yun? Nawala. Okay, 1, 2. Dalawa lang oh. Nawala yung isa. Anong sarap? What if mamarel na ako? Is it a good idea na mamarel?
Over here!
Oh my god.
Got her trapped!
Anong gutter trap? Sira ulo. Andito ako.
Don't.
Gutter trap. Wrongcoms ka, pre. Wrongcoms, pre. Sisihin mo, kampi mo, pre. Wrongcoms. Wrongcoms, pre. Wrongcoms ka, kampi mo. Eagles ka dun.
Any left?
Wala na, ubos na.
I don't think so.
Diba ang sarap? What?
You recognize any of them?
None.
Wait.
Man, this
Wala
QZ
na.
is huge, right?
It's pretty massive.
You think the wolves are spread out all over it?
I sure hope not.
Wala na ba akong pupuntahan? De-explore pa tayo. Pa may explore pa dito. Ay hindi, dito ako galing. Wala bang loot dito?
Anything in here?
Just Halloween stuff.
Bro, wala akong makrap. Ang sayang nung nadadaanan
I'm not a
ko.
fan.
Wala ba akong map? Wala akong map? Kung saan na lang mapunta. Yay, battle. I have battle here. Yay, bala. I do love bala, bro.
Beat up on those places, get straight to him with Isaac.
Shitty asked you to do it in the fucking flying. Rough.
Stop, it's fine.
Alright.
Nandito ba kanina yung may mga sakit sa GC? Wala.
Appreciate it.
Let me give you some advice, though. Get the information. carried away.
Am I right? Omar! We're under attack! Think it came from over there!
Wait, mali ba yung ginawa ko?
Do a sweep.
Is it
Watch
wrong?
for scars.
Pagka lumapit ka dito, dadamputin kita, promise.
I've got this! Right over here!
Wala akong tutok! Aray!
No, no!
Oh my god, L-aim!
Dropped him!
Oh! Walang tutok, pre!
See any more? No.
I'm so sorry. I'm playing oh, ano nangyari dito? Nakaganon na.
You were solid back there. How many guys did they send looking for you?
Too many.
Mauna ka pa mamatay sa ganyan in real life. Bago pa maging sa infection pa lang patay na ako. Uy, sakto. Dito kaya daan, Dina. Yan. Mga bading. Yan, dito kayo tawid. Dito ka, Dina, bili. Tawid ka dito. Ayay, bading. Okay, what about here? There are loots here. I can craft. Wait, ang dami ko naririnig infected. Clickers ba yun? Wait, clickers nga. Worth it ba to? Parang hindi worth it ah. Oh my god, nandito na yung... Oh my god! Worth it ba yun? Hindi. Kasi naubos yung bala ko. Mababalik ba yung bala ko? Hindi din. I mean, may resources dito though. Okay, wala nang bala yung revolver ko. Grabe yung aim ko sa controller, walang-wala, pre. Very open, ha? Anong ganap dito? Ba't ang open?
Gotta get in there. Let's look around.
Asan na yung kasama ko? Eto, si Dina.
More company.
Deserters get out.
Sniper.
If you ask me, deserters are the worst.
Hoy, Dina! Tingnan mo si Dina! Naglalakad sa gitna! Hoy!
They're fucking traitors. At least with scars, you know what you're getting.
Like I said,
Hoy!
I don't give a fuck.
Oh, biglang nag-crouch! Bro! What? Okay, can I like aim this? One hit ba yun?
Joey! Push in!
Saan sila? Hindi ko makakita. Uy! May napatay si Dina. Nice. Saan?
I know you're out there!
Ako din, alam ko, nandito ka. I know you're out there. Dum-dum.
See any others? Not yet.
May toyo. Oo nga, parang may
How are we
toyo
gonna
to
get
si
there
Dina.
alone? This accused
Umaharap
me of
sa
something.
kalaban eh.
I just need a minute to talk with her. You gonna make her talk? If I have to.
Might have something.
Everywhere.
Di ka dito, kakap muna tayo. Best friend kami.
Got this!
Best friend ka to.
Right in here! Taking the shot!
Go around them! Good! God damn it!
Oh my god, preso shotgun. Oh. Oh my god, paano ko papatayin yun? Nasa taas. How do I kill that? Wala na akong...
How'd they get away? Search this place! Don't let them get away!
Hindi ba abot? Uy, umahampas si Ellie. Wait. Wait, try natin to.
Found them! Behind them!
Sige, lapit ka, pre. Alam mo, mas gusto ko yan. Lumalapit ka. Ba't puro tao nakalaban ko? Oh my gulay. pala, pre. Meron pa sa taas, di ba?
You good? Yeah.
Ah, wala na. Last na pala siya.
Now
Oh
what?
my God! Nagta-try hard naman ako
We gotta
bigla.
get through this checkpoint wall. Those buildings are on the other side. Look around. There has to be a way over.
Bote, bote. Alrighty. Saan na ako dadaretso? Scissors. Repeat that one. Okay, tara na, Dina. Come here, Dina. Wait, may tape pa dito. Wait, may nagko-glow pa dun. Wala na ba yun? Wala na bang kalaban? Wala na ba akong panghampas? Can I have panghampas, bro? Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind? Oh, when it start again. Do you ever feel feels of paper thin? You just gotta ignite. Put yun ang flame. Madaling araw na kung ano-ano naiisip ko. Pero nakita ko kasi yung plastic lumulutang eh. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, waiting to start again? Okay, dito ba ako dadaan? Sarado dito, Ellie. Saan ako dadaan, no? Naligaw na ako. End live ka na lang kung kumakanta ka. Ba't may narinig akong clickers? Oh. Should I risk it doon or na? I don't think hindi. Ayoko na. Wala akong bala at the same time, yeah. Hindi worth na pumunta doon. Wait, dito din ako galing eh. Ay, nakulig. Pagod na si Ellie, pre. Hindi ko pagpapahingahin to. Sige, takbo. Ah, kaya pala napapagod. Shotgun kasi hawak. Sira ulo ka talaga, Lay. Bug! Nauntog si Ellie. Wait, saan na ako dadaan? Kung napatay ko na yun dito. Ah, dito. Diretso na dito. Wala din. Sarado din eh. Oh. Where should I go? Babalik lang din ako dito. You know what? Sige, napuntahan na natin yan. Frick it. iwas. Yeah. Pwede nga.
Watch out!
Busan! Busan dito! Pre, muntik pa ako mamatay kay Dina. Inano ako, binadiblock ako. Ano ba yan, Ate Rosie? Anong yummy? Okay, ang tanong, worth it ba yun? Oh yeah, kinda. Is it worth it? Yeah. We got these supplies. About here. We got these supplies. Delivered it. Okay, so I'm actually lost right now. So, saan ako pupunta? Should I go here? Wait, look. Like that. Wait, saan ako dadaan? Ah, eto. Ito ba yun? Baka iba naman to. Papuntang second floor to. Wait, I'm lost! Saan ako pupunta? I'm lost, chat. I do need help. Help me. Ano goal ng laro? Gusto kong sabihin sa'yo yung goal ko ngayon, pero may spoil ka sa story. So, basta nagtitake revenge ako, may nangyari. May hinahanap akong someone na gusto kong patayin. Pero yeah, it's a story game. Pre, saan ako iikot?
Now what? Maybe we can get out through there.
Yun, salamat sa clue. Salamat! Salamat sa binibigay mong clue. Ang goal ng laro ay maglaro at pumatay ng mga pangit at pumatay ng mga clickers. Pumatay ng mga infected. Ha? Galing ako dyan eh. Ba't buhay pa si Lay? Kasi magaling ako. Galing ako dyan ah. Daanan pa dito? Oh, that makes sense. Oh, wait. Almost 4 hours ka na for episode 2. Gagawin ko ng 2 episode to. Galing ako ladder ah. Ah, okay, may ano doon, may terrace pala doon. Okay, dito hindi ako nang galing. Kasi naubos yung mga kalaban dito sa taas agad. O, diba? Kung sa YouTube sila nanood, 2 hours lang mapapanood nila. Kung dito sa Twitch, diba? Diretso 4 hours. Diretso 4 hours dito, pre. Hindi naman sa nagpaparinig sa YouTube people, pero parang ganun na nga.
Hey, I think it's this way.
Listen mode. Enemies seen listen mode show the Oh. What should I upgrade? Smoke bombs? Increase health? Kala ko ba diretso 8 AM? Tigilan nyo ako, 8 AM? Grabe.
Okay. We got over. Now what? Hey, Dina.
Yeah.
Tuk na ako, bro. Pagka nag-cutscene pa uli, GG's na. Nantok na ako.
Give me your hand.
Hindi na pre-recorded yung game. Hindi na kasi nai-stream ko na eh. Nung una nga kasi naglalag, di ba? Kaya pre-recorded.
That round building. It looks like the TV station from your map.
Yeah. Come on.
Hindi naman siya naglalag ngayon, so... Wow. Naano ko agad
I don't know how I would've done all
Na-jinx
this
ko
without
agad
you.
Sige, ayaw mo magdala sa fast hanggang 8
Shut
AM.
up.
Kahit mag-switch ka ng schedule
I
1
never
para
would've let
umabot
you do
tayo
this by
ng
yourself.
umaga.
Oh shit!
What the fuck was that?
I ran into a trap.
A what?
Explosive traps.
May trap?
Watch where you're walking.
Basta gusto niya lang ng mahabang stream. Ayun ba yung mini-min nyo? Do you guys want a long stream? Even though na hindi siya The Last of Us? Kasi masyadong ano eh, pagka isang game na naman yung nilaro natin, so... Squadron nga, abot 11 hours dito, 5 hours lang kaya mo. Alam mo, gusto ko nga siya i-marathon, kaso nga, pagka minarathon ko, ang dami kong i-edit. Eh, ang schedule 1 naman, hindi ko siya ine-edit eh. Hindi naman siya pang YouTube eh. Ito kasi pang YouTube chat. So yeah. Bro, mom's calling me, hindi ako makafocus sa stream. Oy! Halika dito. Come. Oh, dito ka eh. Ikaw dito. Oh, buhay pa?
Okay.
Grabe si Ellie, pre. Sana ako naman yung apakan niya na ganun. I mean, sana hindi niya ako maapakan ng ganun. Oh my God, grabe ka, Ellie. Nakakatakot ka.
Oh, shit, Ellie?
Sliding.
Fuck.
I'm okay. Come on.
Sliding. Okay, I drink my water. Hey. What? Wait, kuha lang ako ng tubig, chat, okay? Wag. Andito yung friend ko from from California eh. Ayan si Carlos. Hi Laya. I'm playing The Last of Us now.
This Leah chick?
Laya, what can you what can you say about
I don't want to think
Joel's
about that
death?
right now.
Very nice.
We should put some of those tripwires up around Jackson. Might be a good way to deal with the courts.
Yeah, that'd be smart.
Wait, how many percent na ako sa game? Sa mga nakakaalam ng game how many percent na ako?
What if they
Like,
can't read?
how many percent
drawings.
am I
You know, like a foot
the progress
trail
of
or
the
a
game?
wire and
Laya?
big. Hey, Look,
Provide mini golf. Bro, provide mini golf. Hello?
What do you think it is?
Feel her love.
someone who wants us to feel her love. You think she's related to the wolves?
I don't know.
It's kind of fucking weird.
Oh, what
Holy
is
shit.
this?
These were all shot.
No! Si Tommy!
Hey, look. It's Tommy's. Ugh. Infected did a number on this one.
You're a good part into the beginning. I don't think you're in the middle of the game. What? Start? Well,
You okay?
Yeah, sorry, it's just that...
bro, si Tommy is malapit siya somewhere.
Alright.
Hi,
He's
Shane.
taking off on foot. You good to keep going?
With
Yeah, I'm
Discord?
Please.
What's with Discord? Hindi na makalaya.
How'd this city get so wrecked?
Anong
Austin was
check
in
ko sa
office, wasn't
Discord? Saan? Sa DMs
Austin
ba?
didn't have a full-blown civil war. Fireflies never put up this kind of resistance.
Saan yung titignan ko? Anong read Discord? Sabi mo, ako, pals. Ano ba yan? Mamaya na yan. Mamaya na ako chichismis, okay? I'll do my content first.
You see the TV station?
Yeah, it's that way.
Oh,
The middle is like around
bodies.
chapter 18, 20.
More shot bodies.
How many chapters
Tommy
does
definitely came this way.
I bet he went through
The Last
there.
of Us has?
Stop! Tripwire.
Oh my god, muntik
Shit.
ako.
Good catch.
They're all over.
Probably for
Pre,
infected.
nandito ba si Bill? Bill, are you here?
One wrong step.
Yeah. Let's.
Smart. That works.
Yeah.
Nandito ba si
seen Joel
Bill?
do this.
Bro, si Bill nandito pre. Naglalagay ng traps. Buhay pa ba yun si Bill? Andito kaya si
Tall
Bill sa
grass
part
is making
2?
me nervous.
Yeah, they're getting tricky to see.
Bro, I'm actually curious kung nandito si Bill. Blizzard trading card. Oh my god. Okay, what's this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wala siya sa part 2. Baka patay na si Bill. Okay, anong clue neto? Minumulto na ako ng damdamin ko. Ng damdamin. Ipa. Anong code neto? You damdam? Bigyan mo naman ako ng papel, pre. Hello? Wala bang clue? Iiwan ko to. Huwag na, natatamad na ako. Iwan ko yan. Oh my God, support. Wala, paano na to? Dito ko dadaan. Dito.
They've really got this area covered. Probably don't cut through here much with all this.
There's that silver lining.
Tutulog ka na? Nawalan kang gana? Bakit?
More of this stuff.
Huh.
Ba't nawalan kang gana? Hello? Wow! 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 Hindi kita yung wire, pre. Pahingi akong brick. Wala nang brick dito. Oh! Wait, I can upgrade things. Anong upgrade natin? Shotgun? Masyadong ano sa shotgun. Bias. Hindi, sa ano naman? Stability. Damage. Wait, yung sa ibang upgrade ba? Ito. I mean, pistol di naman masyadong nagagamit eh. I don't think pistol is a good upgrade eh. Pero yung revolver, most of the time, nagagamit ko siya. So, I can do accuracy and damage. Anong olo ko? Okay, nice. And I guess recoil? Recoil ng revolver? Yes, sir. There you go. Tama na yan. Ay, scissors. May loot ba dyan, di na? Paano ko babatuhin yun? Barilin ko na lang kaya ng pistol. Pwede ko ba barilin yun? Na, pwede pala dumaan dito. Umikot pa ako. Paano ko babarilin yun? Ayan o, tignan nyo. Hindi kita, pre. Okay, pwede. That's nice.
There's a TV station.
Ang dami naman traps. Whoa!
Shit.
Whoa!
Stay down there. These stairs are wired up.
Can you detonate them?
Not here.
Paano yun? Muntik na mamatay si Ellie, pre. Okay, eto.
We're not being subtle right now.
Maybe Leah will come to us.
Yeah. Or they might be waiting to ambush us.
Need to get in there.
Ito na lang, oh.
There it is. Stay low.
Feels empty.
I don't buy it.
La-la-la-la-la. Oh, wow. May patay.
Fuck.
Akin na yan, bala.
That's brutal.
Tommy do this?
Let's get inside.
Arrows? Pre, alam niya naman pagka naglaro ako, na-addict ako eh. Saan ako iikot? Any loots here? Ay, hindi ko kailangan yan. Lock in, lock in. Took me days to finish it. O ba't tumatawa ka na naman bigla, Rap? It took me one stream. Eme, anong one stream? Asa kayo? Hindi ko tatapusin ng isang stream to. Mainit na yung PC ko ngayon. Saan ako aakyat? Ito pala. Hindi pwede pre, umiinit yung PC ko. Bro, ang init ng PC ko sobra. Took me one stream. You're not even halfway. Yet. Who knows? Remember me playing Resident Evil 8 in one stream? Laya? You know me, Laya. What if you just wake up and I finish the game already? You woke up and I'm done. Oh, you're in class. It's literally like 12 a.m. in the Philippines right now, so... wala na akong ma-upgrade, so... O, saan ako pupunta? Wala namang pupuntahan dito, dam-dam.
Ellie, what about that?
Alin? About what? Alin? Ano yung tinuro ni Dina? Ano yung tinuro mo, Dina? Oh, wait. Hindi ko naman tatapusin, joke lang.
This is definitely
Joke lang na
not Tommy.
tatapusin ko. Ano to? Ba't ang daming patay?
But it's a message.
Seattle Day 1.
This just happened. You think they're still here?
I hope not.
Yak!
Your eyes open.
Kadiri, pre! Ew! Yak! Kadiri! Ew! Skill issue yan siya. Talaga ba? Walang kalaban ah. Parang magkakaroon ng kalaban dito and any point ah. Binibigyan ako ng supplies ah. Parang magkakabarilan dito ah. Parang magkakabarilan dito ngayon ah. Aba, binibigyan ako ng madaming bala. Parang may barilan dito ah. Aba, may barilan nga. Ba't tumatalon-talon ako? Okay, saan ako pupunta? Where am I supposed to go? Ibababa ko ba kayo? No? Wait, saan ako pupunta? Paikot-ikot na ako. Right here? No? Ala! Naliligaw na naman ako. May some kind of puzzle ba ako na kailangan na i-fix? Okay, not here. Can I like go here?
Shit.
Na dito.
Another body up there. I don't like this. We're too exposed.
We have to search all of it. I want to find Leah.
Just be careful.
Oh my god, there's dead people. Dead people here. Bro, binibigyan ako ng napakadaming bala. Natatakot na ako ha. Bro, ang daming
What
patay.
is that?
Oh my god, puno lahat ng equipments ko. Anong pwede kong i-craft? Wala. Okay, we go here. Uy, si Abby to ah. Patay si Abby?
Leah.
Leah? Ba't kamukha niya si Abby?
You sure?
Yes.
Guess the universe really wanted her dead, huh?
There's nothing on her.
Abby buff yun. Oo nga pala, no? May muscles nga pala si Abby.
Dina. It's all of them.
Oh my god, mahahawakan nila
That's no
lahat ng
Jackson.
pangalan, pati ng pictures.
Fucking smiles.
Oh, ito si Abby. Abby and Owen.
That's her. That's the one who killed him.
Three down, right?
3 down.
6, this is 2. Do you copy? Support Unit India en route to the TV station. Repeat, support
Shit.
Unit India en route.
Yeah, we should
Over.
get going.
Oh my god.
Well, she's dead. How do you feel?
I'm pissed we couldn't talk to her.
Yeah. But she didn't hurt Joel. It would have been really fucked up to make her talk.
Oh my god, sabi ko na may bugbugan dito eh. Do I stealth?
They're all dead. Fucking Scars killed them.
Miller?
Spread out.
Well,
We still could have Scars in the
si
building.
Tommy and
Watch
Joel.
each other.
How are we getting out of here?
Someone
Okay,
get to the radio and
I
call this
think-
in now.
Stealth na lang.
What are you doing?
Cutting them down.
Make sure the building's clear first.
I'm not leaving them up.
What the fuck's cutting them down gonna do now? Go!
You should cut it. Oh my god, kita ba ako? Bulate ako, bulate.
Hey! Look! It's... Shit! Let's go!
Damn it! Get her! She's out!
Oh my god! Wala akong bala! Kita agad ako! Woohoo! No, 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 no!
She's running! Right here! Move in!
Yeah, got
Hoy, sira ulo! Di ka dito! Oh my god! One tap pre! Sabog yung ulo niya! Oh no, wag! Si Dina pa yung inano mo ah. Don't you hurt my Dina, bro. Okay, may papunta na naman. Shotgunin ko sa ulo yan. Come here. Ano, boss?
Penny's still standing.
I don't think so.
Oh my gulay. Well, kaya ko naman may pag-duel, so
This way. Come on.
that works. Wait, baka meron pa dito.
Follow me! Don't let her get away!
Uh-oh. 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 From where, though? Galing saan?
Move out! We've got them!
Oh my god!
Get them from behind!
Talon! Talon! Monkey the Ellie.
Fuck! Dina! We gotta run!
Oh my...
It's over there! Are they with us? I don't fucking know. Shoot 'em.
Oh my...
We gotta lose him!
Go, 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 go!
Get ahead!
Oh my gulay, ang dami! Asan si Dina? Oh my god, ito pala si Dina. Akala ko nawala si Dina.
It'll work for now. Keep going.
Find a way in.
Spores ahead. Masks.
Spores?
Okay.
Magmamas ka pa, Ellie. Immune ka naman eh.
We gotta keep moving.
I hope there's a way through.
I thought they had us.
I know.
Ang sikip. Pagka may nag-thank you sa chat, ibaban ko ah. May clickers.
So which is it? Are they guards or trespassers?
Joe clearly said they...
Watch yourself.
Fuck to these trespassers.
Small things, bro. Talaga barapo.
Just leave us down here for these infected to eat.
You like man. That's clean enough. To the right.
No.
May bala doon. Oh. Gusto ko yung bala, pre. Oh, dito mag-work yung silencers ko. Oh yeah! I can throw like this. Uy, hindi ako! Hindi ako! Asan molotov ko? Ba't ako hinabol? Ay! Pre! Tanga-tanga! Doon, doon. Yun, no?
Where'd they come from?
O baka sa akin pa lumapit, ha? Yan! Boog! Boog! Oh my god, kinakain sila! Oy, pre, pre, pre! Oh my god, di kita mag-grab. And aim! Ba't hindi kita mag-grab, pre? Oh my god, hindi ko alam kung papaparilin ko! Nagpapanik ako, pre! I should... Mouse and keyboard. Ito ang fix dyan. Ito ang fix dyan, pre. Mouse and keyboard. Ay, sir. Oh! Tapol! Natamaan!
Look out! Kill them all!
Go, go!
Hala ka! Tumatalon si Ellie! Pinapatayo ko lang sa crouch eh. Oh my god, I think dito ako may i-stop.
Fuck, they made it!
Trespassers are here too!
Ito nga ako.
Let's go! Draft her!
Dum-dum? Okay. Okay, stop being a tryhard. Tama na, tama na, tama na tryhard. Nang babalagbag bigla eh, no? Okay, stop with the controller, man. Anong L? Tawag doon buff. Bakit? May mouse and keyboard naman ako. Pwede ko naman gamitin, ah. Bakit? may sinabi ba si The Last of Us na bawal ko gamitin yung mouse and keyboard ko? Wala naman, di ba? Wait, I can heal now. Let's go dito. Ano cheater doon? Hard mode laruin ko. Yoko nga. Ayoko! Naka-controller lang ako. Ayoko mag-hard mode. Ay, play controller oh. Mag-hard mode ako.
Fucking move it!
Oh my god.
Shit. Come on.
Kaya ko mouse and keyboard na hard mode. Pero,
Yeah.
hindi na para umulit pa ako, chat. Hindi na para umulit pa ako na... O, bawal ko palitan yung difficulty dito.
I'm really tired.
Hindi na magko-controller na lang
Let's get
ako.
out of here.
Wala. Bawal magbago ng difficulty. Gusto ko siyang ma-experience ng controller, okay? Kasi yung The Last of Us 1 buong gameplay nun mouse and keyboard. Pagka nahihirapan ako, adi magma-mouse ako. Bakit? Jules.
Maybe through here? Did you hear what they kept calling us?
Scars.
I wonder if that's who made all those murals.
And gutted all those wolves.
Everyone in this city's a fucking psycho.
Fuck. Jesus. Have you ever seen anything like this? Bloaters have acid spores. That didn't sound like a bloater. Whatever the fuck they're fighting, we should let them kill each other.
Cute nyo pa ako, ha? 1 minute lang naman yan. Blablabla.
What's the plan?
Got another ladder across there.
Okay. How do we get to it?
That'll do.
No. You wait me and stream before you sleep, okay? Okay, I drink my water. Gusto niyo pa ba mag-stream ako bukas neto or Saturday? Ay wala.
Ladder's broken.
Wala palang daanan
Damn it.
dito. So saan ako dadaan? What time? Always 8 PM. Ako nag-i-stream.
Dina, this way.
Okay, sige. Magbibigay ako ng schedule ngayon para pagka in-upload ko to, diretso agad. Diretso agad sa YouTube. So, sige, pagbibigyan ko kayo. Since gusto ko talaga laruin tong game na to, sige bukas. Laro ulit tayo ng The Last of Us. Pero 2 hours lang. Or 3 hours. Tapos maglalaro tayo ng Phasmo. Okay, magsusugal tayo.
I got you! I got you!
Kailangan kita mag-a-absent. Uy! Ngayon hanggang what time? Siguro onti na lang. Makapunta lang ako sa isang cutscene. Tapos I think na pwede nang mag-cut ng episode doon. Sige, saka ako magka-cut ng episode. Mag 1 AM na. Pero nakakatakot, bloater kalaban ko. Oh, you don't go here. No, 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 no. You don't go here. No, 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 no. Oh my god, there's 2 bloater here. No, 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 no. There are 2 bloater. Oh, this is not bloater, not that big. Shambler? No, 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 no. You want to sell drugs? I sell drugs. Oh. Oh, no, no, no. You get this. And you too. No, 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 no. Oh my. Pre, mamamatay ako. Oh, pumuputok siya.
Ugh. Fuck these assholes. Did they get you?
Wait, ano to?
No, I'm clean. Shamblers? Is that what they call them?
Shamblers?
Yeah. Where the hell do
Wait.
shamblers come from?
Wait lang, kung
I don't fucking know.
runners,
But they're disgusting.
runners is stalkers. I know, runners, stalkers, bloater. Ay hindi, clicker tapos bloater. Saan yung shambler? Saan sisingit yun dun? Ikaw hindi? Well, sa puwet mo? Patingin nga. Patingin nga kung nasa puwet mo. Shambler, then bloater. Oh, I see.
Let's see where this takes us. Take your time. Almost done. Okay. It looks clear, as far as I can see.
As far as I can
Good.
see.
Shamblers? As if the others weren't bad enough. Guess that's nature. Yeah, well, nature's an asshole.
Pabukas, pre. Wala kang daan doon. Oh, there you go. Ano to? Can opener? Sinumulto na ako ng damdamin ko. Damdamin ko, di ba pa? Di na lang. Bro, ang daming spores. That means may clickers dito. La, ba't may code?
Shit. Needs a combination.
Why there code? Forget the code again. Get me a soda and the code is yours. Get me a soda and the... It's 152 question mark.
Let's see. Yes. How'd you do that?
Ano yun?
Magic. You're my favorite.
Basic. Hindi man lang ako pinagpawisan. Wait. Ano yung makakraft ko sa bathtub? Wala. Puno yung supplies ko. Wow, ang yaman ko sa supplies. Wait, so dito na ako dadaan. Ano to? Where am I supposed to go?
There must be a way around. I like your optimism.
Saan yung other way around?
Ellie.
Ano? Saan? Ito? Ano ba naman yan? Nakakainis naman!
Shit. Shamblers. We got this.
Kadiri! Ay, bonak ka! May mata ka ba? Oh my god, kita niya ako. Mamatay si Dina, pre. Wait lang, Dina. Wait a minute.
Motherfucker!
Oh my... Oh, binit ko yan ng ano ha. Tinalo ko yun ng controller ha. Baka sabihin nyo, nanduduga ako eh.
Okay.
Controller ginamit ko dun ha.
Same.
Ang laki ng puwet niya. Controller po ah. Controller po ang ginamit ko ah. Walang kaduga-duga. So saan ako dadaan na? Hello? I'm lost. Did I go here? Wait, dito ako galing, di ba? Saan ba ako galing? Hello? Ah, ito na. Noise.
One sec.
Ang daming infected dito, so...
There.
Wait, I see the light. I see the light. I see hope.
What the hell happened here?
I see hope now.
Thanks, Sherlock.
I see the hope.
Jesus. I wonder how long they kept these running past Outbreak Day.
I see hope here, bro.
Dina? Yeah, come in. Getting closer to light.
Ano?
Don't jinx us.
Ano ba to? Y? Y pala to.
Hey,
Pinipindot ko
Let me
ng
get you
ano,
up there.
ng
yeah.
A. Paabot po.
What you got?
Nice one.
Come on. Okay. Let's rally. We're almost out.
Oh my!
Ellie, your mask! Here,
Oh wait!
we can share mine.
No! Don't take it off! Ellie, stop! Ellie, stop! What? No! Ellie, no!
Stop! I'm not infected. I'm immune. I'm not coughing, you see?
Oo nga pala, immune nga pala si Ellie!
Dina,
Oh my god!
can you run?
Yeah.
Ibibigay dapat ni
Fucking
Dina
go!
yung mask niya.
Go!
Okay, run!